In the polymer bearing market, leadership is built on engineering excellence rather than overwhelming market control. IGUS holds the largest share at 6%, while AB SKF, the Timken Company, and Schaeffler AG each captures 5%. NSK Limited rounds out the total 5 with a 4% share. Combined, these industry leaders account for just 25% of the global market, leaving a substantial 75% to a wide range of manufacturers serving specialized application across industries. As demand grows for lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and maintenance-free bearing solutions, innovation and application expertise continue to shape the competitive landscape. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.